Hey friends, Chef Wayne here. Today I'm sharing with you this delicious and easy to make long grain brown rice and chickpeas pilau recipe, a healthy side dish or a vegetarian dish perfect for any day of the week. So for the recipe, I've washed thoroughly 2 cups whole grain rice and also drained a can of chickpeas. For the other ingredients to go with the recipe, start with 1 medium-sized onion, peel and dice. Dice half green pepper, half of an orange pepper, and half red bell pepper. Set aside. Peel a medium carrot or about 1 cup. Dice. Crush and chop about 4 cloves garlic. Just roughly mince this garlic. Set aside. A small piece of ginger. A spoon works perfectly too. Slice this. Stack and julienne. Turn and mince. Mix with garlic. 2 medium-sized Roma tomatoes. Rough dice. Move to the side. Fresh cilantro, washed and dried. Take out some of the roots. Finely chop. Mix with garlic ginger. Set the leaves aside for cooking and garnishing. Time to start cooking. Into this hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add whole garam masala spices. Toast for 30 seconds. Add onions. Season the onions with salt and pepper and cook until slightly browned. Onions have slightly browned, add ginger, garlic, and the cilantro stems and the roots. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed below in the description box for your ease. Sweat these for a second also. Into the pan, add 1 tablespoon coriander, teaspoon cumin, teaspoon garam masala, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of paprika. Stir these to toast the spices. Add the tomatoes once the spices are toasted. Add the rest of the vegetables, carrots, and the peppers. Sweat these for a minute. This is so colorful. You can never go wrong with vegetables. Add the 2 cups soaked long grain brown rice. and the drained chickpeas. Give this a stir and toast the rice for a couple minutes. Add 3 cups water. Season more salt and pepper. Some of the cilantro. Give this a stir, bring to a boil, lower the heat and cook until the rice is fully cooked and the vegetables are softened. Time to unveil this long grain rice with chickpeas and lots of vegetables. Smells so good here. Fluff it. Garnish with some cilantro and scallions. And just toss this in. Check for seasoning. It's on point. Cover this for about 5 minutes. Ready to serve. So friends, there you have it, our beautiful long grain brown rice with chickpeas, cooked in about half an hour. We opened the pot and then have it rest for about 15 minutes. And there we have a delicious dish that you can make on any day of the week. Serve it as is, as a side dish, or just serve it on a plate as a vegetarian dish, and you and your family will definitely enjoy. I'm gonna give this a nice bite here. Looks so good. This is just so delicious and so good. I hope it's a recipe that you can be able to try in your own kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this one. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Just remember, subscribe, comment, give me a like. See you soon.